Today we'll find out who's gonna lay down the maple syrup slap.
The gloves come off when two of Canada's most iconic cities.
My man, I challenge you to a duel.
Engage in a versus travel battle to determine which epic Canadian city has the best top 5. There'll be no sorries here. This one isn't going to be polite. I'm Christopher Clark.
I'm Danica Giorgio, and we are Versus Travel. In this episode, we'll measure the strength of each top 5 entry to determine a winner, following these 3 guidelines. First, is it unique? Next is fun factor. This one's all vibes. And the last guideline is a simple question. Would we do it again?
We'll kick things off with Toronto's Hockey Hall of Fame and Montreal's Museum of Archaeology.
Toronto's a world-class city, one of the biggest in the world, surprise. And man, it's just so much fun being back down here. Hockey Hall of Fame. Never been. For all the times I've been in Toronto, it's time to go to the Hockey Hall of Fame finally. Let's check it out.
Getting access to the shrine of Canada's favorite game, well, for me was a bit tricky somehow. There are 3 different entrances you could go through. There's a second entrance just inside the building.
It's closed. Upon further inspection, that was the store. Hockey Hall of Fame store. So I'm going to go around the corner and see what's going on here.
So the Hall of Fame is past that awesome old looking building that's indoors in that giant glassed over area, down the first escalator, pull a U-turn, and then it's right here.
I'll be honest, I'm not a huge hockey fan. Did play a bit in grade school, but man, being in a place like this, it just brings the Canadian up a bit. Brings it out of you. It's a nice place. If you're into hockey, this is somewhere to come. Also, just museums in general. There is some pretty awesome stuff in here. Some interactive stuff. This place is really nice.
Even if you don't love sports at all, you can appreciate the history and soul.
Either way, you'll get a taste of some Canadian culture.
I know you can't get more Canadian than that, eh? Welcome to Old Montreal. Of all the places Danica and I have been, this is one of our favorite neighborhoods.
But today we're here to check out an even older version.
Pointe-à-Calais, and it is the archaeological museum. Apparently you go down into like where the original streets of Montreal were hundreds of years ago. These are the old walls, I'm assuming. And the old streets. I guess they built everything on top of it.
This is the collector sewer, first sewer.
First sewer I've been in, I think. A glass floor. Whoa.
By 1810, Montreal, now a British town, had about 10,000 inhabitants.
The new Old Town as we know it today is built on top of the original settlement. Montreal is one of the oldest and largest colonized areas, dating back to 1642, when it was first colonized by the French as a missionary colony.
How do you say it in French? Fantastique?
Fantastique. Magnifique.
Magnifique. Archaeological Museum. Pointe-à-Calais. Pointe-à-Calais.
Callière.
Really awesome. Really interactive. Great displays. Cool stuff for kids. That was a lot of fun.
And adults.
And adults, yes, we had a great time too.
Montreal's Botanical Gardens, Toronto's Center Island.
In the background, you can see the Expos old stadium where the baseball team used to play. Lots of concerts there. Olympic Stadium. And right across the street is the Botanical Garden. So they have Japanese and Chinese gardens. Oh, hello. And so far, it's delivering. It's pretty awesome. I know they have all these structures too. It's nice.
It's 75 hectares, housing 22,000 plant species and all the beauty of nature with so many gorgeous photo ops. Trust me, this place is an absolute gem that rivals any garden in the world. Well worth the 30-minute metro ride and a great addition to your Montreal bucket list.
Upside down tree?
Flowering
Yes,
crab
it
apple,
is.
royal beauty.
Today we're going to Center Island. There's some pretty cool stuff there for the whole family.
Up top?
Yeah, go up, upstairs. All aboard. It's $30 round trip for this, so.
For all 4 of us.
All 4.
Now arriving at the dock. It doesn't take that long to get here.
It's super cute. It's the amusement park that's here on Center Island. You can get a day pass for all of the rides for a family of 4 for $166.
What do you got?
Then chocolate chip.
Woo! That looks good.
One of the best parts is the boat ride back towards downtown. These are some of the best views you'll get of the city.
The center has to be at least 3 times bigger than
Toronto's
this.
Royal Ontario Museum, Montreal's Museum of Fine Arts.
Midday refresh before the museum.
Located in the heart of downtown, just a short walk from Montreal's famous shopping street, St. Catharines, the art gallery is a great way to enjoy some Canadian and world famous artists.
Museum of Fine Arts. Let's go.
The art gallery features Inuit art and design. It is Canada's oldest art museum. It opened its doors in 1860, and today it features 47,000 works, including European masters, Monet, and Rembrandt. It is absolutely a cultural landmark.
Well, saw some good stuff. It's a nice museum, definitely worth doing, right in the middle of downtown, so yeah. All right, we're at the ROM now.
Toronto sees your Museum of Arts and raises you a ROM. The Royal Ontario Museum, which is Canada's largest, is home to 18 million different objects. Contemporary art, ancient artifacts, and, woo, and a brontosaurus.
Crab that's like tall as me. It's probably as tall as me. Well, I'm sure
We're here. We're going into, there's like Greece, Cyprus, Aegean, Rome, Nubia, Egypt.
God of Wood. Here we have him right here. Or she.
All right, the ROM, awesome. Dinosaurs all the way to antiquities, ancient Egypt stuff. That place has got a lot for you.
Montreal's Mount Royal, Toronto's Castle Loma.
Uber ride to Castle Loma, and we're doing a escape room. Escape room. It's a castle in the middle of the city. It was built in 1919, but its style is 18th century. And yeah, there's events here. Obviously the escape room. It's just in the middle of a neighborhood, just outside of downtown. So awesome place. We're in the bowels.
Of the castle.
Kind of because it smells like some bowels down here.
Down here in the waiting room, there's movie posters lining the halls, and these are all films that have been, in part, been filmed here at Castle Loma, which is kind of cool.
Keegan and Calm got what?
Knighted from the thing.
Knighted, yes.
Yeah, we couldn't bring in any cameras, sadly.
Sorry, absolutely zero recording.
Oh, okay.
Zero recording.
Definitely in my top 10 for Toronto. It's awesome.
Okay.
It is.
What was the name of this one?
The Dragon Song.
Dragon Song.
No, the Dragon Song.
Yeah. Lots of fun. Definitely something
I'm not
to do. Morning in Montreal.
The name Montreal translates loosely to Mount Royal. If you're not afraid of some steep slopes, take a hike up to the top and get the best views of the city.
I'm sure there's 100 different ways to explore up here. Man, the second you get up here, the breeze hits you. It's beautiful. A lot of joggers, a lot of bikers. I'd say this was a 15-minute walk from the hotel, 15-20. Straight uphill, so it's gonna get you. But I love having the architecture, the beautiful buildings of Montreal, all the awesome food, and then having nature right there plopped in the middle of it. Love this city. It's beautiful. Awesome. Great breeze today, sun's out. Mwah. Montreal.
Who does number 2 work for?
Toronto's Ripley's Aquarium, Montreal's Old Port.
Good morning from foggy Toronto. We're going to the Ripley's Aquarium first thing in the morning. Let's go.
Ripley's Aquarium is an absolute showstopper with 1.5 million gallons of water, over 20,000 aquatic animals from more than 450 species, and a 96-meter underwater tunnel that's the longest in North America, where sharks, rays, and sea turtles glide right overhead. There are 9 incredible galleries, interactive touch tanks, and mesmerizing jellyfish displays.
Oh yeah, look at Dory!
Look, that's a straight
Dory.
right there, straight up Dory.
Oh, right there too. Right there too. Dory.
It's a bunch of.
Look at these big fat fish. Look at these big fat fish.
We all live in a yellow submarine.
Oh man!
Look, this guy's coming right at us. We're just crabs.
Look at this stingray! Look at his little smile!
So how was the aquarium?
Good. I got to touch a stingray.
Oh, did you? Nice. Oh, what now? What now? What now? Clock tower. Clock tower by the pier, and right beside it is where they have a beach. So didn't think you could go to a beach in a downtown metropolitan city. Well, you can. I don't know if it'll be open yet, but we'll check out the area. We'll definitely go see the giant clock tower. Downtown in the background, right on the Saint Laurent over there. There's a little inlet here. You can see the Ferris wheel behind me, and clock tower. There it is. As you can see, it is a well-protected beach. No one invading this one. Great views of the bridge to the island there, and the clock tower in the background. Beach just on the edge of downtown. Not bad. Not bad at all. There is the zip line. It's only open on Saturdays. It's not Saturday. This is a giant couple pirate ships, and it's a ropes course. And it is right across from the wheel. So you go around 3 times, and it was $31 per person.
$10 a spin.
If that's what floats your boat, yeah, $10 a spin, and the views are incredible. We came at about 9:30, it closes at 10, basically empty. So if you want to get a gondola to yourself, maybe come later at night and get the great views with the downtown all lit up and the lights. Ah, there we go. Yay! So Danica is in Montreal with us.
Oh, yeah.
Say okay, bye.
Okay, bye.
That was fun. Super smooth ride. It's a good time. All right, that brings us to the #1 entries for each city, and it looks like we got a quick promo coming through. Just give us a second. Hold on. Car! In our next video, 2 world wonders collide to determine which ancient civilization built it best. We'll weigh the full experience of visiting these historic landmarks and determine our winner. That one's gonna be a lot of fun. Okay, I think we're ready to see the best that these 2 iconic cities have to offer. Let's get to it. Game on!
Game on!
Game on.
Nothing's gonna ever keep you down. You're the best. Best I ever had. You're simply the best of the world.
We've arrived, the best of the best.
If you ain't first, you're last. I mean, that doesn't make any sense.
Toronto's CN Tower. Montreal's Old Town.
For Old Town, we'll feature 3 of its best venues.
Okay, had our beer, our warm-up. Now we're going to the Odd Palace cold room for a drink right before Notre Dame and the light show. This is a speakeasy down a sneaky side street here. Excited to see what they got.
Hi.
Hello. Doing good? Oh, we're back out on the main road. And here we are. Whew, it's dark in there. Gotta let the eyes adjust. Okay, Notre Dame and the light show. Okay, we're here. Enjoy. Never seen anything like that in a church before, so feel like I've gone back in time. This place is wonderful. I love it. Oldest restaurant in Canada, 1725. Wow. This place is amazing. Mom looked up a place to go for dinner. We got lost, we couldn't find it, so came down this random road and found Auberge. Oldest restaurant in Canada. And we got some scallops. Dad got a Cornish hen, and it looks delicious. Okay, we're heading to the CN Tower. Here we go.
We're on the CN Tower today. My name is Josh. Is anyone's first time here?
Me? Yeah. I'm here.
Oh, you're in for a beautiful view, everyone. It's a 58-second ride upstairs. Traveling 22 kilometers per hour, 15 miles per hour.
All right, lots of tables. You can sit down and eat, have a drink, enjoy the views. See into the stadium?
Yeah.
What?
To the stadium.
Amazing.
That's so cool.
So that's Billy Bishop Airport. You can fly into Toronto, Pearson's main airport. That's the other one right on the island, and then you get a ferry right across and end up pretty much downtown. So they have a restaurant up these stairs. It's called 360 or Windows, and you get shots of the whole thing, and it rotates in a circle. So a great place to come eat. Danica and I have been up here before. Not doing it on this trip, but give you some shots.
The CN Tower is Toronto's most iconic landmark, and for good reason. It stands at 553 meters tall. It was the world's tallest freestanding structure for over 30 years. And on clear days, you can see all the way to Niagara Falls. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie or just want those epic skyline shots, this is a must-do when you're in Toronto.
This lineup is for those bars. And you can lean down on the bars and like be leaning on this window at this angle. A little scary.
For the episodes on this channel, there are no losers, but there's definitely a winner. So let's finally see who lays down that maple syrup slap.
What is the 5 fingers say to the face?
Oh, Montreal with an egregious about face.
Wait, Toronto delivers the Canadian karate kick for the win. Unbelievable!
And there it is, like two true Canadians. They apologize and everybody goes home happy. Toronto wins! Montreal is such a cool city, but Toronto, just too many epic things to do.
While I'm not in the shots in this video in Montreal, Chris and I have spent some great time in this city with friends. We loved exploring the eclectic neighborhoods, taking in the music scene, the nightlife, the architecture, and eating all the amazing food.
Toronto just has too many epic things for Montreal to compete with.
The view from the observation deck of the CN Tower right into the Rogers Centre, or from the underwater tunnel at Ripley's while sharks and manta rays swim right over top of you.
That was crazy.
It just delivers the wow factor that we look for here at Versus Travel.
Absolutely. Would we go back to both of these cities? Yes.
For sure.
At the drop of a hat. They're both incredible. If you have the opportunity, absolutely go see them both. But today we're here to decide who's got the best top 5, and Toronto, well, Toronto definitely has it.
Thanks for watching. And to continue your Versus Travel battle journey, click on this video right here.
Fleshy sea pen.